Hi, SusanClaire, GourmetQuilter here, just popping in with our block of the month, Kimi's Kimonos, that we're doing. So this is going to be part number 4. So we're doing really well with our block of the month, getting along nicely. And so in part 1, we made a kimono block A, which was this one. And if you remember, it's got these nice little flappy bits and little obi here. And this time we're just going to make 2 of these, so then we'll have 3 of these. And so what we've already made is 1 of these. We've made 2 of kimono block B. We've made some alternate rectangle blocks, and this time we're going to make the 2 kimono A blocks. So as you can see, I've already made my 2, so now I've got 3. So I'm not going to go through the whole process again, because in part 1, if you remember in your notes, and if you haven't already got notes, there are notes through GourmetQuilter.com. So I've gone through all the whole process, and the video for part 1 will show you what you need to see if you're not too sure and want a refresher on that. So I think that will probably do this time. I thought I'd just touch base with you and just see how you're getting on. So by the end of this month you will have 3 kimono block A's, 2 B's, some alternate rectangle blocks. And I think that's probably about all I need to say this time. And I will see you next time with something else to do.